A big part of your JEE preparation is to be clear on where to focus and when not to get discouraged. Whether the question was difficult or it was just another round of revision, students often tend to mark the question number. With a similar thought, PYQ Plus has marked certain questions. Across the book, you will see 4 such symbols being used to mark certain questions, and every symbol has its own purpose, specially designed to help the students. Now let's talk about each of these symbols. A star means an important fundamental question. These questions form the foundation of physics. They either introduce you to a core concept, a standard result, or an idea on which multiple JEE questions are built on. A dagger means difficult questions. These problems need more than normal effort. These often include hidden concepts, multiple ideas coming together, or advanced mathematics. And many JEE advanced questions lie under this category. A double dagger marks problems that are even more challenging and require a deeper level of understanding. An exclamation mark flags wrong questions, the questions that come with ambiguities, options not matching, inconsistent data, conceptual errors, or issues that could confuse students or waste their time. The purpose of these symbols is simple. When you see a start question, you know that it is important to focus here and pay attention because these problems are building your core concepts. Basically, in these, you are deriving a fundamental result. When you see a dagger question, you know that the struggle is expected and it requires more than routine application. Marking questions this way isn't random. It takes deep subject knowledge and years of experience to truly judge which ideas are fundamental, which questions are genuinely difficult, and which contain flaws. This approach has existed for years in standard textbooks, where they mark selected problems to guide the readers through the subject. And PYQ Plus adapts the same approach for JEE aspirants. Small symbols carefully chosen to help students study with more clarity, confidence, and direction. And honestly, I didn't see any such marking in any other PYQ book. This is one strong reason for you to consider PYQ Plus.